Let me show you how to transfer your Instagram account from one phone to another.
This works the exact same on either an iPhone or an Android.
Now, the first thing we're going to do is close out of the Instagram app and then get into the settings on your iPhone or Android. You're going to do this on your old device. Now, the first thing we need to do is check to make sure that everything is backed up and saved to your iCloud, or if you have Android, saved to your Google Drive. So go to Instagram and make sure that is turned on so everything is backed up and you don't lose anything. Now let's go back into the Instagram app here and then tap on your profile and let's get into your settings. Now within the settings, now that everything is backed up, all we need to do is go to the very bottom and we can log out. And you can see save login info. If you want to keep logging in, you can choose to turn this on, but if you're getting a new phone, you can just turn it off. Now from here, all you need to do is go back out here or hit try another way. Essentially, it will allow you to log into the Instagram app separately. So let's open up the Instagram app on your new phone. And then on here, you can see it recognizes some of my accounts here. Let's say use another profile. And now you'll be able to see it pops up with the ability to log in. So now that everything is backed up, essentially all you need to do is log back into your Instagram account. So let me just tap on that, I think it's that one, and log back into my account. And just like that, you'll be able to log in and hit save info on your new device, and it will show up with all of your old information, your drafts, your posts, all of that information will be the same as it was on the old device.